Let's go to page 441 and start with number 13. Okay, and you have two equations. You got 2x squared minus 3y squared equal to 30. And when you have two equations, you want to put it side by side so you got room to work underneath. Okay, so this one you got two equations, so I'm going to do elimination method. So since this is already opposite sign, so I'm going to eliminate the y. So I'm going to multiply by 3. So I get 3x squared plus 3y squared equal to 75. Okay, and I'm going to put this under here. So I get 3x squared. It doesn't matter which one you put under. You can put this under here, it doesn't matter. So I'm just put this over here so I get even out the two columns. Okay, when I add, I get 5x squared equal to 105. So divide by 5, divide by 5. So x squared equal to 21. So when I take the square root, I want to separate the plus from the minus because I have to solve for the y also, right? So take the square root. So I got x equal to square root of 21, and I got x equal to negative square root of 21. Okay, I have to separate it. So then after that, I'm going to use this equation over here. Okay, use this equation because that's the easiest equation. Okay, so I got two columns. Okay, so you got to do both. Okay, so for this column, so for this one, I got x squared plus y squared equal to 25. And see, I already have the x squared already. X squared is 21, so I can substitute, right? And whatever you substitute, you put in parentheses. That way you know that that is the number that you substitute. Okay, so minus 21 on both sides. So y squared equal to 4. So take the square root. So you're going to get y equal to 2, y equal to negative 2. And again, the reason I separate that so you can write your answer. So from here, my answer, so this one and this one would be square root of 21, comma 2. Okay, so that is this one. Now for this one, I get square root of 21, comma negative 2. Okay, so I get these two answers from this side. Now this side, you got to do the same thing. Okay, use the same equation. Okay, you substitute, again, this one right over here, x squared equal to 21, right? So notice it's going to be the same thing, except this is positive, this is negative. So minus 21 on both sides. So you got y squared equal to 4. I can take the square root, so you got y equal to 2, y equal to negative 2. Okay, so now you have to pair up. So from this one, okay, I'm going to get negative square root of 21, comma 2, right? Okay. And then the next one, I'm going to get negative square root of 21, comma negative 2. Okay, and so this would be my answer. Okay, so my answer would be these four answers. Okay. Okay, let's go to number 15. Okay, I got 5x squared plus 3y squared equal to 7. And I got 3x squared minus 7y squared equal to 13. Okay. So this is not a very nice equation, but you just have to work with it. Okay. So this one, again, you have to choose a variable to eliminate. Okay. So I'm going to, since it is already opposite sign, so I'm going to eliminate the y. So to eliminate the y, I need to make them the same number. So my this common multiple is 21. So I'm going to multiply this by 3, so I get negative 21, and multiply this by 7, so I get positive 21. So they will cancel. Okay. So again, you first have to decide which variable you're going to eliminate, and try to find a way so that it will become opposite. So I got 9x squared minus 21y squared equal to 39. This one, I get 35x squared plus 21y squared equal to 49. Okay. So again, you see that? That's what we try to do, right? Okay. So I'm going to put this under here. So I can eliminate the y squared, 21y squared. Okay, so when I add, this will cancel out. So I get 44x squared equal to 88. Okay, so divide by 44, divide by 44. So x squared equal to 2. So I'm going to take the square root, so I get x equal to square root of 2, comma, x equal to negative square root of 2. Okay? Then after that, okay, you have to do both columns. So you have to do columns. Okay, so now you're going to use, I don't like the subtraction, so I'm going to use the positive equation over here. Okay, because negative is very easy to make mistakes. So I'm going to use this equation over here. Okay, use this equation. Okay, I'm going to write the equation again. So I don't want to keep looking back up there. Okay, now I'm going to substitute. So 5 times x squared is over here. X squared is 2 already. So you don't have to substitute from here. You can substitute from here. It will be 2 plus 3y squared equal to 7. And this will give me 10. So minus 10, minus 10. So I got 3y squared equal to negative 3. Divide by 3, divide by 3. So y squared equal to negative 1. Okay, and so take the square root. So y equal to plus or minus square root of negative 1. So y will equal to positive I, and y will equal to negative y, negative I. Okay? Okay, but let's see. Does it ask you? You have to be careful instruction. Okay, find the real solutions. If any of each system, you may check your answers. Okay, so you only ask for real solutions. So this is not real solution, so that's no good. Okay, that's why you have to look for the instruction. Okay, if it asks you to find all the solutions, then you have to include this. But instruction says find the real solution means you don't want the imaginary answer, so this would be no good. Okay, so you can cross it out. Okay, so we can focus on this one over here. Okay, so this one you're going to do the same thing. Okay, if you follow through, you got 5x squared plus 3y squared equal to 7. Okay, again you substitute. Okay, so minus 10 on both sides. So you got 3y squared equal to same thing, negative 3. Okay, and you work it through, you're going to see the same thing. Okay, so you got y squared equal to negative 1. So y will equal to plus or minus I. Okay, but again, the instruction says find the real solution. So again, this is imaginary solution, so that's no good. So the answer would be no. Don't write no solution, because that's not true. There are 4 imaginary answers. So there would be no real solution. Okay. So there are 4 imaginary solutions, but no real solution, because the instruction only asks you to find real solutions. So make sure you pay close attention to the instruction. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Okay, number 17, you got x squared plus y squared equal to 13. You got xy plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, so this equation, this one is kind of bad, so you have to be very careful with this one. Okay, so these 2 equations are totally different. So when the equations are similar, okay, when the equations are similar, you use elimination method. But when the equations are very different, you want to use substitution method. So what you need to do is you minus 6 on both sides. And then you can solve for either the x or the y, and you can substitute. I'm going to solve for y and substitute. So divide by x, divide by x. So y equal to negative 6 over x. Then I'm going to substitute into here. Okay, and when you work it out, so x squared plus 36 over x squared equal to 13. Okay, and then what we need to do is we're going to multiply. We have to get rid of the fraction, so multiply everything by x squared to get rid of the fraction. So you get x to the 4 plus 36 equal to 13x squared. Okay, then you're going to make it equal to 0 so you can do the factoring. So move this over. Okay, so do the factoring. Let's see what we get. Okay, so you have to add to get negative 13. You have to multiply to get 36. Okay, so again, if you don't know the correct combination, -4, -9, you just start with 1. So -1, because you have to use negative and negative to get the negative, right? So -36, -2, -18, -3, -12, -4, -9, and that's the correct combination. Okay. Oh, by the way, if you don't know that, you can use the z substitution. You can let z equal to that if you want to. Okay, let's do that then. So some of you probably cannot do that. So let z equal to x squared. So you're going to get z squared. So you're going to get z squared minus 13z plus 36 equal to 0. And you can do the same thing. Okay, so you're going to get z minus 4, z minus 9 equal to 0. Okay, and then you can solve for z. So z equal to 4, z equal to 9. Okay, and then you have to put this back. So you got x squared equal to 4, and you got x squared equal to 9. And then when you take the square root, you're going to get x equal to 2, x equal to -2, x equal to 3, x equal to -3. Okay, and then you have to use this equation over here. Okay, so you got 4 answers already. You got 4 columns. Okay, so you got y equal to, from here, right? Y equal to -6 over x. So y equal to -6 over 2. So y equal to -3. So from here, you're going to get 2 comma -3. Okay. Now over here, again, you do the same thing. So y equal to -6 over x. So y equal to -6 over -2. So y equal to +3. So this one you're going to get -2, +3. This one, again, y equal to -6 over 3, right? So y equal to -2. So this one you're going to get 3 comma -2. This one, again, y equal to -6 over -3. Notice when you substitute, put in parentheses, that way you know what to substitute and what is the non-substitute number. Okay? So from here, you're going to get -3 comma 2. Okay, and those are your answers.